Hello everyone, this is IncomeNomad channel and I'm really glad to be here with you guys. My name is Koray and this is the introduction video of how to become a successful trader, how to become a successful freelancer, how to have that side hustle that everyone is looking for, or maybe turning it to your main job as my situation here. So I'm here to help you how to achieve that. I am going to help you how to get the whole knowledge from the scratch about trading world, and when I mean trading, I mean all the financial markets. I mean the Forex, I mean stocks market, I mean cryptocurrency market, and the things which are related to cryptocurrency world, such as the blockchain, the NFTs, Web3, everything. So I'm going to start from scratch. And after that, or maybe you guys help me out, maybe you want simultaneous videos uploading for you guys. And I'm going to talk about how to become a successful freelancer, how to have that side hustle, that extra income, or even you want it as your main job, and how to work on different platforms as a freelancer with any profession you have, or in any niche, or with any gig that you want, working on different platforms like starting with the most popular ones like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, People per Hour, and there are tons of them out there. These are the most known ones. This is my job, you know, working remotely from my home balcony with beautiful view, the view of the Black Sea. I can see you that maybe later. And I really became tired of my previous job because it was so hard. I had to be in the fields. I was a pilot. Maybe that's a dream job, but now I decided recently to completely switch to this kind of work because I like it more. You know, you are almost, let's say, the boss, your own boss of your job. So you have the control of your timing, the amount of income, maybe not in the beginning, but after a while when you get really into it, you're gonna have pretty much control of it. Over it. So that's what everyone is looking for. You know, I think the time of working for someone else or someone else's as boss is going to be over soon, and everyone's going to be working for themselves. And I think the ones who are deciding to go this way are going to be the successful ones sooner than later. I'm really excited to share my experience as both a full-time trader and a freelancer with you guys, because I think, and I'm pretty sure, that everyone is looking for that financial freedom. Let's get right into it. Starting with the truth, the pros and cons. Both of the niches which I want to talk about, both of the fields, both the trading and being a freelancer can be really devastating and overwhelming. Any job is like that. Unless you have tons of money or you find a treasure in the middle of nowhere, or you haven't really reached that, and you don't want to work and you have lots of money and you're not worried about anything. But if you're like me, and you have to make your own money, so it can be overwhelming, it can be devastating. But what I'm here to do is to make that easier for you, that process of getting how to become a professional in both fields. I'm here to help you with my own experience, and trying to show you what not to do. Mostly because there are lots of videos out there, like millions of them out there on, especially on YouTube, which can show you what to do. So I'm here to mostly tell you what not to do, omit that part of, overwhelming part of the process. What I really focus, because, teaching has been my job, even, throughout my previous, career. Teaching has been my job for like over 7 years now. Let's say, yeah, it's almost 10 years, not 7 years. So, I know what you're looking for, and I'm going to focus on two main things. First, I'm going to start from very basic ideas, and then I'm going to cover everything which is related to the subjects which we are going to dive deep into. On one side of the coin, we have the trading world, which is a lot to talk about, which there is a lot to talk about. I'm going to leave my a syllabus underneath the very first video, starting with trading, which is not this one. This is only the introduction video. So it's going to be the next video, because I'm going to start with how to become a trader course. We're going to have focus on different parts of trading world. First, the history. What is the history? What are the financial markets? What is the technical analysis? And dive really deep into it. And then go for risk management, the Forex market, different markets, Forex market, stocks market, crypto market, blockchain, Web3, NFTs, everything that you have heard of and you don't have any idea about, or if you have some ideas about it, or you're already a trader for a while, but you are in that I don't know what to do now zone. Throughout the years of teaching, which I really love this job, and this is teaching too for me, and this is what I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna make sure that the process of this teaching course is going to be as easy as you cannot even imagine it. So we're gonna break down everything, and we're gonna make it really easy, and I don't want you to do anything stupid or really hard. Just be with me, do whatever I tell you, and believe me, you're gonna be successful. Afterwards, we're gonna talk about how to become a freelancer. Why it is important to be a freelancer? Is it necessary? Okay, imagine you go to an office to work, and you go 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning, or if you are in a long distance or mid distance from your office, you have to wake up 4:30, 5 a.m. So in order to reach your office in time, early in the morning, then you're gonna work like crazy hours for some amount of money, which is a fixed price, and which I call it nothing. But why to become a freelancer? First, you are the boss of yourself. Maybe some of you are thinking about the fact that no, you're not the boss of yourself. You have to work for someone else. Yes, but you are in control of which jobs you want to take and which jobs you don't want to take, relating to your time, the price that you want to do it, how hard it is to do, and does it worth it to do that job, the time and the price. And again, like how to become a trader niche, I'm gonna show you mostly what not to do, because to-do list is a checklist which is really clear, and it is crystal clear. So we're gonna talk about mostly what not to do, again, to remove that section of overwhelming part of it. And the most exciting part is that I'm gonna mix these two worlds with each other. So you're gonna have some income from becoming a trader. You're gonna have some side hustle or really good income from being a freelancer. Then how to combine them? Okay, you have some money from being a freelancer, then you can bring it into trading and multiply it. This is what I do, and it is really exciting. Believe me. To be honest, the Income Nomad channel is not only about making money. Of course, money is honey, but it's not only about money. We're gonna share ideas. I'm gonna help you out throughout your career. I'm gonna be there for you. 24/7 is not true because I need to rest though, but I'm gonna be there for you. We're gonna have close interaction with each other. It is about making a community. And that's all about it, isn't it? Throughout the courses, I'm gonna share with you guys my own experiences, and we're gonna make some examples from my own work, so that makes me more trustworthy. We're gonna have some really good examples, live examples from previous examples and previous jobs done. Remember, this channel is only about the fact how to live your lives on your own terms. Please, if you want to be with me throughout this journey, this lovely journey, which we're gonna have a lot of fun and a lot to learn, like my channel, subscribe, hit the ring bell. You know what to do. I don't want to go throughout that cliche. Share this channel with your friends. So I'm gonna upload my videos on Fridays and Saturdays, 5 o'clock p.m. London time. So you can calculate yourselves when they're going to be uploaded exactly. So please subscribe, so you're going to be the first to announce when my videos are going to be uploaded. Thank you so very much. See you in the next video.